going to explain plants, the food factories. Okay, see, all of us eat fruits and vegetables, right? So, but have ever wonder where they come from? Yes, your answer is right. Plants. So, the all types of foods and vegetables come from plants, right? So, plants. So, all types of animals also. All types of animals and human beings. These all are depending on plants only. Why? The reason is the plants are food factories. Green plants. Green plants are living organisms that make their own food. So they are called producers. Producers, it means the living things providing food for all living beings. That's why the plants are called universal food providers. Universal food providers. So it is the green leaf that makes food for the plant. Only green leaf. Only leaf. So roots and stems also present in plant. But the roots and stems do not prepare own food. Why? Because the green plants having one pigment. One pigment. What is the pigment? The chlorophyll. So chlorophyll pigment. So it is green in color. Green in color. That's why all leaves green in color only. Green in color only. What is the pigment name? Chlorophyll. So the chlorophyll pigment present in the leaf. That's why the leaves are green in color. So leaves only prepare own food. That is the reason. Okay? Observe, children. What is this? Yeah, this is leaf. Yes. So observe in your surroundings, number of plants are there. Yes. So you observe deeply. So all types of plants are the same size of leaves and same shape. No. Different types of plants, different shapes of leaves and different size of leaves also there. See here, two leaves are there here. Yes. One is people leaf and second one is rose. See the between two leaves same size? No. And same shape? No. So different types of leaves have different shapes and different sizes. Right? Here we can observe different types of parts in leaf. Okay? See, first one, it is leaf blade. What? Leaf blade. And second one, this one is midrib or midvein. And next one, it is veins, subveins. Okay. Next, this one, petiole. What? Petiole. See, we can observe how many parts are there here? 4 parts. Mainly 4 parts. One is leaf blade. Second one is midrib or midvein. And third one is veins or subveins. And last one is petiole. What? Petiole. And here we observe another part also there. Another part. What is this? This one, stomata. What? Stomata. So this part we can observe or we can see with the help of microscope only. The flat and dark part of the leaf, it is called leaf blade. Okay, the leaf blade is attached to the stem through tiny stalk. It is called petiole. It takes water from stem to leaf blade. Okay, the thick line runs the center of the leaf. It is called midrib and midvein. And so the small, tiny, numerous lines are there. So the numerous lines are called veins. So the veins provide shape and support to the leaf. It takes water to different parts of the leaf parts. How do plants make food? Okay, see, the plants prepare their own food. Plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Here the photosynthesis combination of 2 words. One is photo and second one is synthesis. Right? So the photo meaning light, and synthesis, it means to prepare. The photosynthesis combination of 2 words, right? So the leaves prepare food in the presence of sunlight. This is the photosynthesis. Okay, the leaves only prepare food for the plant. Okay, so that is the reason the plants are called kitchen or food factories of the plants. Okay, so the photosynthesis definition. See here, the plants use carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to make their own food. It is called photosynthesis process. Once again, photosynthesis process. See once again, the plants use carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to make their own food. It is called photosynthesis. How do leaves get these minerals to make food for the plant, right? So the chlorophyll present in leaves, the chlorophyll traps solar energy from sunlight, right? Next one is the leaves take in air through the stomata. You know stomata, okay? So the stomata are present inside the leaf. So the leaves take in air through the stomata. They absorb, the stomata absorb carbon dioxide from air, right? And next, roots. The roots take in water. The roots take water from the soil. See this one H2O. This is the water. The roots take water from the soil. Right. So here the roots inside and the stem inside some thin tubes are present. Thin tubes are present. The tubes contains xylem. Xylem it is responsible for the transportation of water. Right. Next, the carbon dioxide and water. The carbon dioxide and water put together to form sugars and food. So oxygen is formed as waste in this total process, right? And the leaves send out the oxygen through the stomata, right? Okay, the leaves send these sugars to other parts of the plants through the veins. You know, veins is responsible for the transportation of food and minerals and water also, right? So the leaves send these sugar materials and these food materials through the veins. Okay, the plant uses the sugar to grow. The plant uses these sugars or food to grow and repair, worn out the damaged parts of the plant cell. Okay, the plant store these food materials, food as a starch in different parts of the plants. The different parts of the plants like leaves, stem, roots. What happens to the food made by plants? The plants use the food to grow and live. So they store some food products for future use. So the extra food prepared by a plant is stored in the different parts of plants such as leaf. The plant extra food stored in leaves like mint, coriander, spinach, right? So these foods used as leafy vegetables in our daily life. The plant extra food stored in stems, sugarcane, okay, lotus stem, right, and potato. These are the stems. These stems are used as food in our daily life, right? And next one, the extra food stored in roots also, such as carrot, beetroot, radish, turnip. These are the roots used as food in our daily life. Extra food stored in leaves, stems, roots and also in fruits. Nowadays, fruits is very important for a good health. Okay, the fruits like mango, banana, apples, orange. These are the fruits. Okay, mostly all plants make their own food, but some plants cannot make their own food. Okay, so these type of plants are called parasite plants and some plants are called insectivorous plants, right? So the plants that get their food from other plant by living on them are called parasitic plants. So example here, mistletoe. What is that? Mistletoe. See, this is the mistletoe plant. See, the mistletoe plant prepare own food but receive water and mineral from the host plant. So this is the host plant, another plant. Okay, so this is the another plant. So the parasite, it is the that receive a part of nutrients from host. It is called partial parasite. So the partial parasite example, mistletoe. Okay, Nana. And next one is the parasite, complete parasite. That is cuscuta. Cuscuta or Doda plant. The cuscuta is a vein-like plant with yellowish stem. Vein-like plant with yellowish
around the plants. Means the around the plants. The cuscuta gets nutrition from the tree on which it lives. Okay, the tree upon which it climbs and lives is called the host. So here the plant is the host and the cuscuta is the parasite, right? So the some of the plants are total parasite like cuscuta. So cuscuta is the total parasite. So the total parasite means a total parasite fully depends on other plants. Fully depends on other plants for their nutrition. Some plants are insectivorous plants. Insectivorous plants means some plants eat insects. Such plants are called insectivorous plants. Okay, they trap and digest the insects. So pitcher plant is the example of, this is pitcher plant. It is example of insectivorous plant. In pitcher plant, the leaf is modified to form a pitcher-like structure. See, this is the pitcher-like structure. These type of plants are modified. The leaves are pitcher structure. Okay, the bright color of pitcher. So see here, this is the bright color pitcher. This bright color of pitcher plant, it is attract the insect. Attract to insects. So inside the pitcher plant, see inside the, this is the pitcher plant. So inside the pitcher plant is several hair-like structures. Several hair-like structures. So inside the pitcher plant, several hair-like structures are there. So these hairs direct and trap the insects. Directs and trap the insects and downwards. So when an insect sits on the pitcher plant, the lid closes and the insects get trapped inside the pitcher.
Next, another plant. This is sundew plant. See, observe carefully. This is sundew plant. So the sundew plant, it is a carnivorous plant. It is one of the largest group of carnivorous plant. Observe this picture. How the trap insects. See here. So the long tentacles are produced from their leaves. The long tentacle. See, observe carefully. This is the tentacles. The tentacles, these all are tentacles. The long tentacles protrude from their leaves. Okay, each with a sticky gland at the tip. Each with tentacles. See, this is the tentacle. So each with the tentacles, it has a sticky gland on the tip. Sticky gland, the tip. See, this is the, what is that? Insect, like a housefly. Okay, observe this carefully, this picture. Okay, see next one. The droplets looks like a dew glistening in the sun. The drops, see these drops looks like a sundews glistening. Sundews glistening in the sun. So the sundews gets its name from the sun glistening. These drops are come from this name. I mean the sundew gets its name from the sun glistening. Okay, they tend. See the picture. Actually, these plants are trap the insects to their sticky hair leaves and slowly digest them. Here the drops, these glands are produce some digestive juices. Observe this picture, all members. See how the trap insects. Okay, so this is the carnivorous plants. Okay, observe this picture. This is Venus flytrap. Venus flytrap plant. Okay, this is also one of the most carnivorous plant that uses insects and small animals for food, just like carnivore animals eat meat. Venus flytrap catching its prey, mainly insects, with a trapping structure formed by the leaves. The plant's glands secrete an enzyme to decompose the prey. Venus flytrap catches its prey, mainly insects, with a trapping structure formed by its leaves. Okay, the plant's glands secrete an enzyme to decompose the prey and take up the nutrients released. See this picture, observe clear this video. This is insect, right? See how the plants are closed, Venus flytrap. Okay children, this is plant food factories. Okay, so in this lesson, how the plants produce food, how the plants make their own food. Process, that is photosynthesis process. You know, the plants use carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and sunlight. Use their make their own food. This is the photosynthesis process. And next one, some plants are depend on others for their nutrition. That plants are called parasite plants. You know, the mistletoe and dodo, these are the parasitic plant example. And some plants are eat insects. So that type of plants are called insectivorous plants or carnivorous plants. That insectivorous plants and carnivorous plants, Venus flytraps, pitcher plant, these are the carnivorous plants. Okay children.